Prepare to be transported to the vibrant streets of Thailand in our video, A Taste of Thailand, exploring the art of Pad Thai. Join us on an enticing journey as we unravel the secrets and flavors behind one of Thailand's most iconic and beloved dishes, Pad Thai. Our adventure begins in the bustling markets of Bangkok, where the intoxicating aroma of street food fills the air. Discover the heart and soul of Thai cuisine as we delve into the artistry of crafting this flavorful masterpiece. As we explore the culinary magic behind Pad Thai, you'll witness the skilled hands of local chefs at work. Fragrant rice noodles stir-fry in a sizzling wok, mingling with succulent shrimp, tofu, or chicken. The symphony of flavors unfolds as tamarind, fish sauce, and palm sugar create the perfect balance of sweet, savory, and tangy. But Pad Thai is more than just a dish, it's a reflection of Thailand's rich tapestry of flavors and influences. We'll take you on a sensory journey through the country's diverse regions, from the coastal towns where fresh seafood reigns supreme to the aromatic street stalls of Chiang Mai. Discover the significance of Pad Thai in Thai culture, where it's not just a meal but a communal experience. It's a dish that brings people together, fostering connections and celebrations at family gatherings and festivals. A Taste of Thailand is not just a video, it's a tribute to the culinary traditions and vibrant street food culture of Thailand. Join us as we savor every moment of this culinary expedition through Pad Thai, and experience the artistry and charm that have made this dish a global sensation. Prepare to be inspired, educated, and transported to the enchanting streets of Thailand by the captivating stories and delectable flavors that await you in A Taste of Thailand, exploring the art of Pad Thai.